Okay, so this is the continuation of the direction sense test. It's the part 2. So here we do have some questions. Okay, a lot of questions are there, important questions, and we'll start with the basic question. Okay, yes, proceed this question. Keep paper and pen and try. My voice is clear, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
yes,
Fine.
sir.
Even I'm not having exact solution. Let us check. Okay, today I'm late.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Done with answers.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine. So what is the answer?
D,
50 meter.
50-meter east.
50 meter east. So okay, fine. So it's a combination of both. Okay, direction and displacement. Okay, Rohit walked 30 meters. So just I'm assuming this is the SP starting point. So 30 meters towards the south. So this is the south direction towards the and took left turn. So if the person is walking in this direction, this is going to be the right and this is going to be the left. If it is walking in this direction. So then taking the left turn and walked a 50 meter. Again he took a left turn. Person is walking in this direction. This is going to be his left, then this is going to be its right. So therefore he is moving in this direction and walked a 20 meter, right? So 20.
30, sir.
So it is given in 30, 30 or
Yes,
20?
sir. 30, 30,
30,
sir.
30,
sir.
yeah. Fine,
30, sir.
fine. 30 meter. Yes. Now the question is in which direction he is pointing from the starting. So this is the starting point. How far also you need to calculate. So here obviously the distance is 50. So they're asking you this one. This is going to be the 50. So we can eliminate 50%. Then so in which direction? So this is the starting point. Then put on plus symbol. So this is going to be the east direction. So therefore this is east. Therefore answer is D. Understood? 50 meter east. Done. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, Yes, sir. sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Done with answers? Ashina giving E. Ankit giving A. B. Priyanka giving B. Esther giving B. Anu giving B. E. Jansi giving B. Ismail giving E. I'm expecting few more answers. Malati giving E. What happened to Pratish? What happened to Rajshekhar and what happened to Dinesh giving A? Ashina giving two answers. First E, now A. So take your time. Take your time and give one answer. Prabhakaran giving A.
Sir.
Hmm.
A
Rajshekhar done
and
na?
B 15 kilometers.
Illavarsi giving 15 kilometer.
Sir.
Rajeshwari.
Yes, sir.
Fine. 15 kilometer giving. Prabhakaran giving.
A and D same than sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Sorry. Yes, yes. A and D is same, right? Ashar giving D. Then I'm changing one. D I am changed. Okay. Now you give proper answers. 15 kilometer. Yes. Yes, 15 kilometer is right. So answer for this question is 15 kilometers. Okay. Option A is the right answer here. Okay. So Manish walked 6 kilometer facing towards the east. Then this is the starting point. Towards east. 6 kilometer. Then he took the right turn and walked a distance of 9 kilometer. Then he took the left turn and walked a 6 kilometer. How far he is? Simple only, no? How far he is from the starting point? How far he is from the starting point?
சார் ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட்ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண இடத்துல இருந்து அப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணக்கூடாதுங்க சார்.
How far is he from the starting point? So this is the question, right?
எஸ் சார்.
Manish walked 6 kilometers towards the east, then took the right turn this direction and walked a distance of 9 kilometers. Then he took the left turn. This is the left turn, correct? Then walked a distance of 6 kilometers. How far is from the starting point? This one you need to calculate, huh?
21 கிலோமீட்டர்.
How it is 21 kilometers?
6 plus 6 12 12 plus 9. சார் 6 plus 6 12 சார் plus 9 21 calculate பண்ணு.
Check this diagram. Which one you need to apply now?
Diagonal தானே?
என்னப்பா?
Diagonal. And in the side hypotenuse.
Yes. So you people seeing the dotted line, huh? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So Rajshekhar, now this is 9. Then this one is
6 plus 6 12.
12. Now you need to identify the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to root of square of the other two sides. 144 plus 81. So this is equal to 225. So which is equal to 15. Understood, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
People, you need to be very careful with the Pythagoras theorem. Yesterday I taught you Pythagoras theorem, right? So that you need to be very careful. You have to make a diagram. Okay, simply you cannot calculate in this way: 6 kilometer, then 9 kilometer, then 6 kilometer, 12 plus 9, 21. So that answer will be there. If you are doing such a way, then it is a wrong. Understood? Those who are giving 21 as the answer, please try to rectify.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Fine. You should not calculate in this way. Okay, you should have to calculate this way. Now, shall we move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait, Rajeshekar. Let us give 1 or 2 minutes for others. So, done with the answers means yes, you may give your answers.
B, sir.
Anu giving B, Kitna giving B. Everybody, yes. Yes, Rajeshekar, Rajeshwari, Priyanka, Jansi, Esther. Yes, everybody is giving B. Yes, correct. B is right. So, anybody needs an explanation for this one? Or shall I skip the explanation?
No, sir.
At least if any one of you, yes. Okay, if any one of you require, I will explain. Okay, is Pashana needed? Fine, fine. Give a time for everyone. Okay, let others also learn. So that is important. Suman walks 10 kilometer. Then Fashana assume starting point. Okay, this is the starting point. Then Fashana, you know, right? This is simple main directions you need to remember. Fashana, this is north, south, then east and west. Okay, so then Suman walks 10 kilometer towards the south. So in this direction, then 10 kilometer. Okay, turning left. So left means this one. If a person is walking now in this direction, this is going to be his right, then this is going to be the left. So please be very careful with the basics. Okay, then turning to the left and she walks 20 kilometer. Then she moves to a right. A right means this one, right? A right. Then after moving 20 kilometer, again she is moving 20 kilometer, right? Then she turns towards our right and walks 20 kilometer. Again, she is reaching here in this position. Finally, she turns right and moves a 10 kilometer. So she turns right and moves another 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer means this spot, right? Half a. So she is reaching here now. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right, moves a 10 kilometer. She is stopping here. How far and in which direction is she from the starting point? Listen, Fashana, this is starting point. From the starting point, she is standing here. Now, she is standing here. Okay, from the starting point, in which direction she is standing now? From the starting point, she is standing in the south direction. From the starting point. Okay, therefore you can eliminate two options. Then again you have to move on with the. So here this is 10, right? Then again this is going to be the half the distance she is there. Then again this is going to be the another 10. So then totally 10 plus 10, this is going to be the 20 kilometer. So therefore 20 kilometer. Fashana, understood? If you understood, we will move on to the next question. Okay, fine. I'm moving to the next question. It's easy only. You need to try with the paper and pen. Simple. Logo, புரியுதாப்பா?
Yes, sir.
Kirtika understanding. Kirtika Gopi.
Yes, sir.
Kirtana.
Sir, understanding.
Okay, fine. Grishma understanding, no? Grishma Illavarsi.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Sir, understand.
Fine. Deepthi. Deepthi silent. So those who haven't completed the filling of the application form, try to do. At least I think one person has not failed. Okay, I have seen today one person name is missing. I don't know who is that person. Let me inform to the team to cross check. Okay. Who was the last person joined into Jansi, right? I think Jansi. Jansi, your application form is missing, Jansi. Try to get the link from the
Yes, sir.
team and try to
Okay,
fill.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine. People done with the answers. Vamsi there are today not giving any answer. Vamsi attending today. I don't know. Vamsi is there or not. Pratish also silent today. Dinesh giving 13. Dinesh, what is 13 here? Ismail giving E.
Sir,
Done,
B,
or
sir.
Rajshekhar?
Yes, sir.
D,
B.
yeah.
B.
B.
3 root 41.
Okay, okay. B. Dinesh also giving B. Yes, you need some mathematics. Okay, Deepthi also giving B. Deepthi, try to attend the classes regularly, which means that live classes, not
Sorry,
the.
sir, actually, my father had a surgery, major one.
Sorry. Okay, that is not an issue. Just I'm giving you a suggestion.
Yes, sir, now on.
Fine. So, how is your father now? Is he fine?
Yes, sir, he has pain in his ribs because it was a bypass surgery. Now it's better.
Fine. Take care of. Prabhakaran giving B. Anu giving B. Fine. So now everybody is giving B as the answer. Maximum people giving B as the answer. Okay. Fine. So, shall we check?
Yes, sir.
Dia started from her home to the office. She started in east direction. Then fix the point, starting point. Then moving with that east direction. After walking 4 kilometers, she turned her left. So this is going to be our left. And walked 8 kilometers.
The key on the star.
It's going now okay, Rajshekhar. Fine. So this is the starting point. Okay. I'm just considering this as a starting point. Now, so I'm just checking this as keeping this as her home. Okay. Keeping this as her home. She started in the east direction. Walking 4 kilometers. So this is 4 kilometers. She turns her left and walked 8 kilometers. Now she turned left and walked 2 kilometers. So this is halfway. Okay. So 2 kilometers. After this she turned to the right. So this is a right and walked 4 kilometers. Now after turning to her right she walked 13 kilometers. And reached the office. So office. Find the shortest distance. Is it so? So now we need to calculate. So this distance is 10 sorry 14
12.
8 oh sorry 8 plus 4 people
Yes, sir.
understanding how 8 plus 4
Yes, sir.
12 kilometer. So
12
this is
kilometers.
8, then this is going to be the 4. So therefore total 12 kilometer. Then this is going to be the 13
13 plus 2.
here from this point this is going to be the 13. Then here totally 4, here halfway 2, then again remaining this is going to be the 2. 15
Yes, sir.
total 15 kilometer. People understanding this one?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then you can use the, so this is 90 degree. So now opposite of that you need to identify the Pythagoras. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. So root of 13 square plus, sorry 15 square plus 12 square. See what I am going to do is, listen carefully. What I am going to do is simple way. This is the 3 table. Okay. Then I am taking 3 outside. Therefore common. So yesterday only I just taught you that whatever you takes, the power also comes. Therefore 3 square. So here 3 5s are right, therefore 5 square. Here 3 4s are right, then 4 square. Simple. So now listen carefully. The square and square root gets cancelled. Obviously 3. So you can eliminate the 50%. So people understanding, how could you eliminate 50%? Then 25 plus 16, obviously 41. People understanding, right? See, you have to be very careful in your mathematics. Basic, very important. So please avoid a lot of calculations. You need a basic mathematics. Or else it would take some time, like root of 15 is nothing but 225 plus 144. Then see, Dinesh has mentioned 369 and all. See, those things and all not at all required. People understanding what I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the table you have to take. Yesterday only I have taught this. Listen again. Whatever the table, just take the table, common multiple table you can take. Then if the power is present between same power, listen carefully, same power, then only we can take. Okay. So please note down these things. If it is same power, then we can take. Okay. So now is the same power, then I am taking. Whatever you are taking out, then the power is also you need to put. Then the remaining things you have to apply here. So I hope everyone is clear.
Sir, sorry, sir. 15 kilometer బట్టి ఎడ్డి వెళ్ళొచ్చు சொல்லுங்க.
Yes, fine. Not an issue. Listen carefully. From this point, let me change the color of the pen. Wait. So now listen carefully. This point is 13 kilometer. Okay. So this is half the distance. Listen carefully. Full distance is 4.
Yes,
Half
sir.
the distance here 2. Then this half
Yes.
distance is equal to 2 kilometer. So if it is 2 kilometer, then this is also 2 kilometer. Understood? Then
Yes, sir.
13 plus 2 is nothing but 15.
15.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you
Okay.
so much, sir.
Okay, welcome. Shall we move on to the next question? Fine, we'll move on to the next question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Anybody needs the recording of yesterday's class and today's class?
Yes, sir.
Which one? Yesterday's class?
Yes, sir.
Fine. After this class, I will try to get the um, from the team members. Okay.
Okay, sir.
They'll give you the link. Okay. But try to attend the classes regularly. That is my suggestion. Always I give you suggestions that you people to take the live session in order to clear this CSAT paper. Even though if you are strong with the reasoning part, I know very well. See, after 3 months, you people see, everyone will attend the classes when we are going to start the aptitude. I mean, I know about it very well. The people mindset. They are thinking that they are strong in reasoning part. Deepthi giving not maybe. The answer is not such a thing. Just give exactly. Whatever. Even if it is right or wrong. Mahathi giving D. Then Deepthi also giving D. Take time. Take time. Rework. 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 Jansi. Rework. Jansi. Grishma giving B. Rashekar giving B. Logo giving B. Ashina option please. Ashina giving B. Sir, I'm confused. Is the starting point? Fix the starting point as A. Simple. Deeply giving two answers. E also. Fine. What about what happened to Anu? Anu, Abjita, Ankita, Asha, Bendral, Ilosa, Charu, Lata, Dinesh, Deepti, Aishwarya, Ilavarsi, Esther, Grishma, Ashina, Farshana, Kirtana, Kirti, Logu, Malati. Malati gave answer. Ismail, I'm expecting answer from you also. Praveen or Prabhakaran and Pratyush. Pratyush today totally silent. Maybe he's having some work. That is why. I will say you. He may not be quiet. He will always give answers. Priyadashni, Priyanka, Rajeshekar give answer. Shruti, Rajeshwari. So I think I have called out everyone. Dinesh having a doubt. Sir, I have a doubt regarding what is the difference between the started in east direction and the starting towards east direction. Wait, Dinesh. Let us check. Wait a minute, sir. Okay. Everybody is giving B. Fine. So answer is B. Answer is B. Okay. Yes, B is the right answer. Fine. What happened to Rajashekar? Answer
Okay,
is B.
sir.
Rajashekar, B, yeah.
Yes, sir. East.
So this kind of question yesterday we have done, na? This one.
Yes, sir.
One question we
Same.
have done. One question.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Similar question. Similar
Similar question.
question.
Yes, we have done. Which one? Which model? You have to go back. One question we have done. You have to go back. Back reading. Yes or no? So now read the question here. Priya started from here. Point A. After walking some time. Similar question or same question?
Similar question, sir.
Similar only, right? Okay, fine. So yesterday I mentioned clearly this kind of question go back with the back. Also you can do the rotation also. Yesterday Rajshekar and Pratyush and a few more Pratyush also done with by doing the rotation. Yes, that is also right. Or else you have to go back with the backwards. Okay. So Priya started the point from A. After walking for some time, she turned to a right and continued walk. Then after some time, turned to a right again. Now walking for some distance, she turned to her left and after this finally to her right. If she is walking in the west direction, in which direction did she started her journey from point A? Okay. So now listen carefully. From the starting point, you don't know the which direction she has started her walking first. Then move on with the back direction question. Okay. Start from the back. So here, in which direction she is walking now? She is
West.
walking
West.
in the west direction now. Okay. Then move on. If now she is walking in the west direction, in which direction she did? Okay, fine. Now, walking for some distance to our left, and after the right, then finally right. Our right means then this one, nah.
Yes, sir.
So now listen, if a person is walking in this direction previously, then only this is going to be our west direction. Understood? Then she has to take right. People understanding why I'm writing in this way. Then,
Yes, sir.
so I will tell you the statement clearly. Listen carefully. She is walking in the west direction. Before she turned to her right. So Priya must be traveling in south before turning the right. So this is the south direction. After right only, she is moving in the west direction. Now move on to the previous statement. So now this we have done. Then now walking for some distance, she turned to her left. Left means what? In this way she is walking towards west. Then only this is going to be her left. Understanding? Everyone, we have done up to this. Then, so move on to the previous one. After some time she turned her right. Right means she has to come in this direction. Then only this is going to be her right. So now, she turned right. Again right. In this direction. Understood? If she is walking in this direction, then only it is going to be her right. Then this is the starting point. Then from the starting point, so now read the question. In which direction she started her journey from the starting point? East direction. People understanding or need explanation again? Anybody needs explanation again?
No, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
The rotation method. So there are so many people, they can easily, if you teach us rotation method.
No, I
So,
will not. No. I will not go with that.
okay,
I will
sir.
give you the best solution. This is the backward going is the best solution. Since you know you are right, you are left, then assume yourself in that position. My suggestion is assume yourself in that position, Ashina. Simple. Then your right turn, your left turn. So this only you need to understand, Ashina. Simple. That is why I am not encouraging with a different method. I will give
Okay.
you the best method. Or
Okay,
else
sir.
in your examination, you will try both the things and you will cross check. Unnecessary waste of time.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So
Okay.
that is why I do not encourage such a thing. You go with the best method. So in this kind of question, suppose they are asking a question in which direction she did a starter means, then go back statement. This read the statement towards the back side and surely you will reach. After reaching this point, then again read from the starting. Now you read the from starting, then from started from A and after from sometime she turns her right. Yes, after walking, then she turns her right. This is going to be her right. Continued walking. Then again towards her right, then this is the right direction. Then after walking some distance, she is taking the left turn. This is the left turn. Again walking some distance, she is taking a right. So that is the last statement, a right. Then she is heading towards the west direction. So this is the simple concept only. You need one or two questions as a practice. Simple. Then you people surely will understand these kind of problems. Done.
Thank you, sir.
Fine. So these two questions we will. This is the not difficult. It is a totally different question. This 9920 and 7918 is a totally different question. This question also we will do. I need people to read this kind of question. It's a totally different question. I know. So now we move on to the first question. So 11th question. Today first question is 11th. Yesterday we have stopped with the 10 questions. Today it's 11. Mute. Recording is going on mute. Somebody is giving answers. Right. Preeti, Deepthi giving D, Ashna giving D, Jansi giving D, Priyanka giving D, Dinesh also giving D, Rashek also giving D. Anybody needs a time? Dinesh, your doubt cleared for the previous question. Anu giving D. Fine. Everybody is giving D. Shall I skip the solution or need a solution? Okay, let us see the solution. A man walks 30 meters towards the north direction. So then you have to fix your. This is the starting point. 30 meters. Then he turns left and walks 10 meters. Again he turns his left, this one. Again left means this one. Then walk to 10 meters. I'm stopping here with the 10 meters. How far is he from the initial point? From the initial point. So this is the initial. Now what I'm going to do is I'm making a diagram here. So this is going to be the 10. So then this is going to be the 20 meter, right? 20 meter. How far is he from the initial point and which direction? Which direction? With the direction itself you can eliminate 50%. Here, then obviously here, then obviously this is going north, west, eliminate 50%. Simple. I'm eliminating 50%. Then you move on with the applying the Pythagoras theorem. You know, right? This is 10 square, then 20 square. 10 table is common. Then I'm taking 10 table as a common. Whatever you take a common, then square will also come here. Then 1, then 2. 1 square, 2 square. Simple. The answer would be 10 here. Then obviously 1 between these two. 1 option is D. Simple. You are doing the solution for the competitive exams. You can stop here itself. Okay, then you may check also here 1 plus 4, therefore 10 root 5. People understanding how to short your? Yes, fine. Down. I'm moving to the next question. Next topic we will discuss. Rashakar, which topic we will discuss? Calendar or clock?
Sir, anything.
Anything. Very good. Anybody wants to give your suggestions? Which topic you people needed? Calendar. Fine. So listen carefully. Next topic is going to be the calendar. Yes, each hour you are getting the question with respect to calendar also. Calendar questions you will expect in your state public service commission also. So Wednesday class is very important. Introduction part is very important. calendar, it has lot of thing. This year also you got calendar topic question, right? Dinesh,
Yes, sir.
you have done that question correctly. Yeah, this year 2022 question. It's a why no? During the classes, you people last year also gave good answer. Fine, that calendar question. So those things also we will do. Okay. So everybody giving C as the answer here. Prabhakaran giving C, Deepthi giving C. So everybody is giving. Last minute only I saw this question. So please select the questions carefully. Okay, yes, that is the thing. In these 2 hours, it is quite difficult to pick the questions first. So that is why you need to mark up whatever be the aptitude, just encircle. Then whatever be the reasoning, then encircle it. Then go on with the reading the question. First of all, save your time by spending 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay, that 2 minutes and 3 minutes will save your time. Please mark it quickly in your examination hall question paper. Skip that reading comprehension. Okay, then pick selectively 30 questions. Okay, 30 questions. Selectively pick the 30 questions. That is very important. I always mention my students know very well that I always give them a suggestion that to pick the 30 questions first. After picking the 30 questions, okay, by spending 5 to 10 minutes of quality time. So this is the quality time. It saves your 15 to 20 minutes time. So just spend then pick the question 30 questions, then go with the 30 questions. Try to complete these 30 questions within 1 hour 15 minutes. Maximum 1 hour 15 minutes. That much of accuracy you needed with these 30 questions. After completing these 30 questions, then you go with say already here 15 minutes to 10 minutes over. So which means that 1 hour 30 minutes finished off. Then within another 30 minutes, you have to go with another 10 questions. So therefore, so here listen carefully. Here this is the risk factor questions. Okay, even if you don't know the answer, then with respect to that reasoning part and with respect to that analytical, okay, aptitude part, so that 30 minutes is going to be very crucial. Okay, in the last minute, don't ever do inky pinky punky etc. Okay, unnecessary shading and all you should avoid at the last minute. Surely it will make you to, in that last minute pressure situation, it will make you to mark unnecessary things. Okay, this is not your state public service commission to give you without any negative marks, but here UPSC carrying some negative marks. Okay, you are obviously losing the negative marks, so don't do such a mistakes. Unnecessarily random shading and all you should avoid. Then 50. So here 30 plus 10 40 questions. If you know 30 questions is correct out of this 40, stop that. Stop with that. I know you people, some people here present made 47 questions attempt etc. You made 47. I have already suggested you people go with the 40, 40, 40, 40. Last minute unnecessary random shading of 7 marks. You are reaching the 63 to 64. Yes, I got this kind of things, this kind of feedbacks with respect to 2022. Sir, I have done with the 47 questions. I am reaching 64, sir. Sir, what two to 3 questions only. I am having some doubts, sir, or else I will more. Then why you people are going with an unnecessary risk? No, please don't do such a thing. I know few has done such a mistakes. I do not want to name that, but please avoid such a mistakes. That is my suggestion. So now let us move on with this question. So people gave the answer as C. Most of the people gave the answer as C. Shall I skip the question?
No, sir.
Oh, you need a solution. Fine. Not an issue. Fine, not an issue. Now listen. Starting from your point A, Sachin walks 20 km towards the south direction. So this is the south. Then he turns left, this one. So if a person is walking in this direction, this is going to be the right, this is going to be the left. So therefore he is walking in this direction and walks 20. sorry, and walks 30 kilometer, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
30 kilometer. Again he turns left, this one, and walks 20 kilometer. Then here, so 20 kilometer. At last he turned left and walked 40 kilometer. So here 20, another 20. This is 20. Here another 20. Totally 40 kilometer, and reaches the point B. Reaches the point B. Okay. If point C is 20 kilometer, point C is 20 kilometer south of B. This is B. South of B is nothing but this one. So this point is C. This is 20 kilometer. It is mentioned in the question. Then C is which direction with respect to the point of A? Point of A. Listen. The reference is going to be the point of A. C is which direction with respect to point of A? Make this like this. Make like this. So this is going to be the west. This is going to be the south. She is, or C is in the south west. So we can eliminate only one option there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Southwest, answer is C. Don't want to see any other thing. So now shall I move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Fine. To save your one attempt, CSAT is very important. I know many of you are good in general studies. I got many feedbacks. I have seen many feedbacks. So crossing 110, 120, sir, but not crossing, not able to cross 66. 1 year totally. So please take it sincerely. Malathi giving B. Pratish giving B. At last Pratish standing. Deepthi giving B. Take 1 minute. Kitna giving B. Dinesh giving B. Ashina giving B, Prabhakaran giving B, Jansi giving B. Kirtika giving B. Anu, I'm not getting, sir. Please explain. Okay, no. Rajshagar B. Fine. Most of the people give the answer as B. Okay. B is right. Fine. So B is 15 km east of point A. So this is point A. Point A's east is going to be this one. B is present here. So therefore 15 km. Point C is 15 km south of B. So B south is going to be this one. So C is present here. So this is also a 15 km. And 7 km east of D is point C. 7 km. So therefore east of D. So this is the east of D. This is 7 km. 20 km north of point D is point E. So this is C. Okay. So now this is D. 20 km north of D. So obviously this is 15 km and another 5 km. So this is another 5 km. So totally this is going to be the 20 km. So who is the E? Then 30 km east of point G is point E. Point E. 13 km east of point G. So obviously here 13 km east of point G. So this is G. This is 13 km. So done with the diagram. So this is the diagram. People understanding? Fine. No doubt, right? With respect to diagram. Now the question is, what is the shortest distance between A and G? This is the shortest distance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the shortest distance. Okay. Also point G is in which direction with respect to A? Listen. First of all, identify 50% eliminate. So in this direction with respect to A. So therefore north, west.
Yes, sir.
Only one answer. Stop it. Stop it here itself. Don't waste the unnecessary calculation. Answer B. Anu, getting a?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We move on to the next question. Shall I move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Or people wanted me to calculate this pi root 2 etc. No, right?
No, sir.
Fine. You have to apply the Pythagoras theorem to find out this. Okay. So next two classes is not two classes. Next upcoming classes is going to be also very crucial classes, calendar and clock. Okay, so whatever we have done, 3 topics, I think 3 topics are this is third topic, 3 topic.
Yes.
So sure questions are there. Then again next to 2 topics, yes, question was there, calendar and clock also. So whatever I am discussing, please try to do the practice questions also. Grishma giving A, Deepthi giving A, Dinesh giving A, Anu giving B. Rajshekhar giving A, Kirtika giving A. Fine. Fine. Jansi giving A, Logo giving B. This question needs some understanding. There is lot of confusion between A and B. Okay, this question needs a lot of understanding. Fine. So here, let us check the solution first. Okay. Those who gave the answer as A, those who gave the answer as B. So please listen this. A man leave for his office from his house. After moving 20 km, he turns south. Okay. After moving 20 km, he turns south and walked 10 km. Then he turned his right. After walking further 35 km, again turned his right and moved for 10 km. At last he turned his right and walked 5 km to reach his office. He is facing east direction now. He is facing east direction now. If a straight distance between his house and office is 30 km, so that is the thing. So this is going to be the 30 km. 30 km. Then he started walking in which direction before his first south direction? So that is the question here. So first of all, listen carefully. So this is so in which direction he is now? So here he is facing the east direction, this direction, right? He is facing the east direction. Then obviously, let us move on with the next statement. Then only you can able to understand. At last he turned his right. Turned his right. So this is going to be his right. At last. Okay. The right. And walked for 5 kilometers. So this is a 5 kilometer. He reaches the office. I am walking as this as the office now. Okay. So this is the 5 kilometer. This is a right. If he is walking in this direction, this is going to be his right. Then I'm moving to the next statement. Again turned is right. 10 kilometer again is turned right. Then this person is walking here. This is 5 kilometer. Then 10 kilometer means in this direction. Then again is right means this way. Okay. This is up to 5. Here I am taking this as a 10. Up to 10. Moves 10 kilometer. So I have completed up to this statement. This statement. Now he turned south and walked 10 kilometer. Then he turns right. So south in this direction. Okay. So now 35 kilometer. So here 10. Then I'm moving this again. So this is another 5. So this is 5. This is 5. So totally 10. So this is, so here this is 10. Fine. I don't want this one. Fine. Now, so this is going to be the 35. So here 5. Then total is 35. Yes, correct. This is total is 35. Now, then obviously from office to home is going to be the, okay. So 35 kilometers is walking. So here moving in the south direction and then taking the right turn. So this is the right turn. Okay. Now again 10. So here 30. From this point 30 means obviously we need another 5 here. So then this is going to be the home. Then this is the office. Distance is 30 now. People, check. What is the question now? In then it started in which direction from his, which direction before is taking the south? West. Answer is B. Anybody having a doubt?
Yes, sir. What about 20 kilometer?
Huh?
Sir, after moving some distance of 20 kilometer,
Yes,
but
this is the 20 kilometer. Understood? No.
No, sir.
no,
Wait.
sir.
Wait. Let me. So here. Wait. This is 10. This is obviously this is going to be the 10. 10. So listen carefully. This is the home. Okay, I'm checking this as a home. Okay, since I'm placing home here, I'm placing office here. Then if he is walking in this direction, uh, then obviously it is going to be the west. Okay, one option is there, so we can eliminate the remaining. So now listen, that person home was 30 kilometer west of office. Okay, if 30 kilometer is west of office, then this path is applicable. Whatever the given statement, then it is applicable. If the home is to those, if the home is, or else if the office is towards the west of home, then this path is applicable. Okay, or else uh, it is given that after moving the distance of 20 kilometer, it turns the south and walked 10 kilometer. Okay, then it turns is right. So now I am just moving with the first statement. A man leaves from his office, leaves for his office from his house and moving with the distance of 20 kilometer. Listen carefully. Suppose I'm just taking this as a 20 kilometer. After moving the distance of 20 kilometer, he turns towards the south and walking here. Okay. Then he turns is right. Yes, this is right. And further walked 35 kilometer. Further walked 30 kilometer to its right and moves. Okay. This total distance is 35 kilometer. Then moved is right. Then walked for 10 kilometer. Then again 5 kilometer he reaches the office now. Then understood? Ashina, listen. So after this he is turning right and reaches the office now. So this is the question. Okay. This is an unnecessary thing. Okay. This 20 they gave you this 20 to make this turn. Okay. So we do not want to calculate this distance. If we want to calculate this distance is going to be the 10 kilometer. Understood, Ashina?
Yes, sir, 10
But
kilometer, but
those things and all
35.
those things and all not at all required.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Understood, Ashina? This 20 kilometer, why they gave this 20 kilometer? After this 20 kilometer, that person is going towards the south direction. Okay. Here, if the question was related to what is the distance from the office and before turning the south from his home, then the distance is 10 kilometer. Answer is 10 kilometer. Understood? Yes or no? If the question is in different way, what is the distance between, okay, what is the
Sir,
distance between, yes, what is the distance between the office and
south turn, if they say, then
after making the, okay, after reaching the 20 kilometer and makes a south turn, then the answer is 10 kilometer. But this question, that is not at all required. Understood? Anybody having any confusions here?
sir, if 10 kilometer distance between office and south turn, then what about is this 35 distance?
After turning, listen carefully. This 35 and all you not at all required, Ashina. Since after turning this and then reaching 10 kilometer, then only she is moving towards 30 kilometer, 35 kilometers. Understood?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir,
Okay.
got it. Then this 20 should be left side, na?
What left side?
This home should be left side, na? And she or he started from east direction. Then 10 kilometer is right.
She has started from her home towards the west direction, then only this diagram is applicable. Those who are done with this method, please tell me. This is home, this is office, then you people have to say. This is my method. Anybody done with the home and office this method? Yes means yes, no means no. Time is running out.
Sir, I have done, but in both the cases, I am not getting the distance between office and home as 30 kilometer.
No. Listen carefully. See, it is unnecessary confusing statement here. You should not think. Listen carefully. If straight line, if straight distance between the home, see this is the straight distance, but she is not going in the straight way. The man is okay, man. He is not going in the straight way. He is going in this part, na?
So that's
If it
what
is
I'm
the shortest
saying.
distance, then the answer is 30 kilometer.
So
It's
that's
not
what I'm
like
saying, sir. That if we consider that information, the distance between his home and office is 30 kilometer. So by that logic, sir, the answer should be E. Neither it would be east west. No option will fit there, sir. Why?
no.
Because that one criteria is not fulfilling, which is the
No, no,
state.
no, 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 no. Don't confuse yourself. See, if listen carefully, if the straight line distance between his home and house is 30 kilometers, that is the thing is given here. It is the straight line distance. Simple. Listen carefully. So you are making na. You are saying that sir, if the straight line distance is not the 30 kilometer, if it is so, that is the case. That is what Pratish is trying to say. Right. I am making this. Okay. So now listen carefully. If it is so, then it would be a 50 kilometer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it so?
But they're mentioned the distance between home and office is 30 kilometer.
That is okay. If, what do you mean by if? If straight distance between his home and office is 30 kilometer, then he started walking in which direction? From before his south turn. That is the question. So this is the one probable answer. Okay. Um, Anybody wants to discuss anything else here?
So answer should be E. Because
Obviously, no. No.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir,
on
if
ஏதோ date of
his home,
Data வந்து change பண்ணவா? So okay.
sir date of you have to change. The 30 kilometer one.
Now
Because
check.
that
Now check.
bottom that
Now check. I change the question.
is it then you are right. If the office and home distance between 50, then you're right.
yes sir.
Now fine.
Yes sir.
Pratyush.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Now, sir. Yes, now we can say that option answer west.
West. Okay. Let me change. Okay, the question. Okay, it may be the typing error also. Okay. So fine. If the straight distance between his house and office is 50 kilometer, then in which direction? Now it is right? So here 20, here again 1 5 we have to subtract, then again 30, then 30, 20, 50. Yes, correct. Now fine, everyone. Rest of Pratyush, Rajashekar and Ashina.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
No, not you people. Rest of you people. Fine. Dinesh, fine.
Got it sir.
Got it. Fine. Now listen. Fine. Okay. Here listen carefully. One question and two, then third and fourth. Now listen. I'll give you 17 and 18 and 19 and 20 as a practice question. Please do it. Please do it. It's very easy, and also it requires some basic understanding. I know you people can solve this question, but you people need to put some paper and pen work. Simple. it's some analytical skill also there. If you go through this now, some it's like a puzzle only. Okay, so these two questions I will give you as a practice. Then here some two question is there. One question we will do now 10:25. One question we will do. Which question? 15, 16, 17. Which question? Shall we do this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm taking these as the last question of this day. Then I'll give you the rest in the PDF. People sincerely try. That is my suggestion. Dinesh giving C, Ashina giving C. 3 km northeast. Kilometer northeast. 13 km northeast. Pratesh giving C. Malati giving C. Rajshekhar giving C. Asha also giving C. Fine. Kirtana giving C. Anybody needs an explanation for this question? Kirtika giving C. No. Wait. If anybody requires explanation for this question, we will proceed. Anu needs an explanation. So fine. Okay, fine. So now listen. So let us see the question solution. Point M is 10 km south of point N. Therefore, N here. This is M. 10 km. Point O is 10 km east of point N. East of point N. Therefore, O. Then, point P is in west of point O. West of point O at the distance of 22 km. Therefore, here. So, this person is nothing but a point P. 10 here, 12. So, therefore, here 22. Okay. Point R is south of point P. 5 km. So this is half the distance here. So this is nothing but a R 5 km. What is the shortest distance between R and N? So this is only you need to identify. What is the shortest distance between R and N? So obviously, according to the Pythagoras theorem, 13 will be there. 13 will be there. How? You need to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So it is the 90 degree opposite of that. The hypotenuse is equal to root sum of the squares of the other two sides. Other two sides is here 5 square, here 12 square. So obviously here 25 plus 144, 144 plus 25 is nothing but root of 190, 169. Root of 169 is nothing but 13. So here, okay, 13. So eliminate, okay, every one you can eliminate these two, two options are there. So therefore move on with the next question. Also point O is which direction with respect to R? With respect to R, which direction is O? With respect to R, which direction is O? Northeast. Understood? This is R, this is O. Therefore northeast. Answer is C, 13 kilometer northeast. Anybody having a doubt here?
No, sir.
No. Fine. I'm concluding this session here. Thank you all. Have a good day. We will meet again in the next class. Okay. If you are having a doubt, you may stay on. If you are not having a doubt, thank you and good night for you.